Welcome to my channel Step to Learn. Today we are going to do English speaking practice through daily routine vocabulary. Wake up. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Turn off the alarm. I wake up and turn off the alarm. Get up. It's time to get up. Make the bed. I make the bed in my bedroom every day. Wash your face. I wash my face every day. Brush your teeth. Don't forget to brush your teeth. Brush your hair. My hair is messy. I need to brush it. Clip nails. I clipped my nails. Get dressed. I usually get dressed before I have breakfast. Have breakfast. I usually have breakfast at about 7 o'clock. Go to school. The boys go to school in groups. Go to work. She doesn't go to work on Saturday. Exercise. Diet and exercise are equally important. Do household chores. Spend the day with the way normal household chores. Drive to work. Sometimes I drive to work and sometimes I walk. Take a taxi. I would rather take a taxi than walk. Wait for the bus. I'm waiting for the bus to go home. Been working. He is been working hard all day. Take a break. I think this is a good time to take a break. Get home. Once I get home, that's for my family. Leave school. I leave school at 1 p.m. every day. Have lunch. We usually have lunch together. Take a nap. I usually take a nap after lunch. Have a snack. Her mother said Mary could only have a snack of fruits. Homework. Your child always waits until the last minute to do their homework. Take out the garbage. Don't forget to take out the garbage. Water the plants. You only need to water the plants every other day. Play with friends. Today I played with my friends. Go shopping. I have to go shopping this afternoon. Read the newspaper. My father reads the newspaper every day. Cook dinner. My mother is cooking dinner. Have dinner. We usually have dinner at 8 p.m. Take a shower. I usually take a shower before going to bed. Go to bed. I think I will go to bed early tonight. Read a book. I always read the book before sleeping. Fall asleep. He fell asleep instantly. Now repeat. Wake up. Turn off the alarm. Get up. Make the bed. Wash your face. Brush your teeth. Brush your hair. Clip nails. Get dressed. Have breakfast. Go to school. Go to work. Exercise. Do household chores. Drive to work. Take a taxi. Wait for the bus. Been working. Take a break. Get home. Leave school. Have lunch. Take a nap. Have a snack. Homework. Take out the garbage. Water the plants. Play with friends. Go shopping. Read the newspaper. Cook dinner. Take a shower. Go to bed. Read a book. Fall asleep. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.